everyone, welcome back to the Channel Car Look. Today, first look at the 2025 Toyota Land Hopper, a revolutionary addition to Toyota's lineup. This UV is designed to blend cutting-edge technology with a bold and futuristic design, making it a standout vehicle in the market. Today, we'll take you through some of its key features and design elements. Starting with the exterior, the Land Hopper showcases a striking front fascia dominated by an angular grille featuring the iconic Toyota logo at its center. The advanced LED lighting system not only enhances visibility, but also adds to the vehicle's modern aesthetic. The sleek, sharp lines of the body give the SUV a dynamic and aggressive stance, while the vibrant yellow color option makes it truly eye-catching. The attention to detail continues along the sides, with aerodynamic sculpting and stylish alloy wheels that complete the vehicle's bold look. Moving to the interior, the Land Hopper is equally impressive. The cabin is designed with a focus on comfort and convenience, featuring premium materials and advanced technology. The driver-centric dashboard is equipped with a large, high-resolution touchscreen that provides access to the latest infotainment system. This system includes navigation, smartphone integration, and a host of connectivity options. The seating is plush and spacious, ensuring a comfortable ride for all passengers. While the panoramic sunroof adds an open, airy feel to the cabin, under the hood, the Land Hopper doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine that delivers both power and efficiency. Toyota has integrated the latest in hybrid technology to ensure that the Land Hopper offers excellent fuel economy without compromising on performance. The SUV also comes with a range of driving modes, allowing you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Land Hopper is a remarkable SUV that combines futuristic design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. It's a vehicle that's ready to take on the challenges of modern driving, offering a perfect blend of style, comfort, and innovation. Stay tuned for more updates and a detailed review of the Land Hopper's driving experience. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.